Hello, collectors. Let's keep going with these Korean Pokemon packs. Okay, let's see what we get out of these packs. Another set of 4. Another Tangela. Tauros. That Tauros looks kind of mean. Oh. Looks like he woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Alright, guys. Pikachu. Let's fix the camera. Oh. Cannot let these open right. We're doubling up on a lot of these non-holo cards. Ooh, we got a holo. First holo out of 3 packs. Last pack out of the 4. Ooh. A Ponyta. You know what? One more. Just for the fun of it. And because I want to get one more holo at least. Hopefully. And last card. Ooh, a V. V card. So at least we got 2 good packs. So I hope you all liked the video. I hope you all like the content of my videos. Thankful for all the subscribers, all the comments, all the views. Thank you all for the support. So, from Treasure Track to you guys, have a great day. Have some fun. Enjoy your time. Bye, guys.